Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to wickedcrypto. So today I'm going to talk about Marathon joins MicroStrategy as de facto Bitcoin investment. So before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, Rumble, as well as Odysee. And as well as Safe Chat. Right now, there's huge censorship in the Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, whatever. So you can follow me in Safe Chat, Odysee. Odysee is just basically library.tv. The back end is library.tv. The front end is Odysee, as well as Rumble, as well. So yeah, so more sensitive data I probably put in Rumble or in my Patreon group. I also post a whole bunch of video about what are the current state of events in Patreon. Right now I can't talk about anything about politics or whatever in YouTube because I may potentially get banned in terms of the current affairs and because we have a new president. So I will post sensitive information over there. If you're interested, you can join my Patreon group, as well as you can go to Odysee and Rumble, Safe Chat as well. Then you can hear different opinion of what's going on in the market and everything, because everything is so one-sided, unfortunately. So let's talk about Marathon. So Marathon basically is a digital asset technology company. They focus on blockchain ecosystem. They also have a mining facility in Quebec, Canada. So basically, they are also basically a Bitcoin miners as well. So so Marathon Petting Group, they disclosed they bought 150 million of Bitcoin at a price of around 31,000. And this money, of course, they do some type of fundraising from that money to buy this, of course, right? Use other people's money, basically. So Marathon Petting Group used the financial services of NYDIG, a subsidiary of a Stone Ridge Capital LLC, to execute the trade and corporate treasury solutions. And of course, MicroStrategy have been so openly talk about that since October, right? They bought only about 10 million Bitcoin on the recent Bitcoin dip, and Marathon basically bought 150 million. And of course, they complete 200 million capital raise using the shelf offering. And of course, in the 2020, at the end of the 2020 fiscal year, they have over 200 million cash. So they basically use about 150 million just to buy BTC at around 31,000. And so they also purchased over 100,000 miners, and for which the company also owned Bitmain, around 163 million. That's spread throughout this year, subject to delivery. And of course, maybe they're going to just do acquisition, buying a whole bunch of miners, right? They only have one mining facilities in Quebec. Probably they want to expand the facility. They probably will buy all this with money raising. They probably will buy some more miners. And so the chairman of and CEO of Marathon, Marek Okamoto, he basically saying that we also believe that holding part of our treasury reserve in Bitcoin will be a better long-term strategy than holding US dollar, similar to other forward-thinking company like MicroStrategy. I'm not surprised because right now Federal Reserve is in the printing press, still in a pandemic, and they are still waiting for the stimulus check, and of course with the I mean, I'm not surprised they're going to printing until everything is over. And of course, Marathon stock price has been pumping like crazy. It's already 20x within 12 months, and this is basically corresponding to the price of Bitcoin, right? The Bitcoin price has been pumping like crazy for the last few months, actually. So let me know what you think about Bitcoin mining company Marathon. They basically swap the cash for Bitcoin. I mean, those cash does not belong to them because they fundraising. Let me know what you think about that. I would love to hear from you. And I'm going to post a video in my Patreon group. What do I think about this Marathon and on the cryptocurrency market? I will put extra video on my Patreon group. If you're interested, you can join my Patreon. And oh, by the way, before let's see, make sure you go to my Rumble and join my Rumble, because I talk a whole bunch of other stuff that I can't even talk about it in YouTube anymore, unfortunately. So, and of course, follow me in Odysee, basically library.tv. The back end is library.tv, front end is an Odysee and Safe Chat. And of course, I will continue to provide quality video for my YouTube member, for my audience. But anyway, so let me know what you think about all this. Things are a little bit crazy lately, right? But I don't know if this is just only me or everybody feel that way. I would love to hear from you as well. And of course, comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Smash the like if you find this video helpful. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out the upcoming video. Remember, I talk about the Ripple XRP airdrops. You can go back to this video because this is also time sensitive. So then you will know when do you get the freebies. And if you, okay, so I think that's pretty much. So let me know what you think. Comment below. Oh, one thing I want to mention. There's I think the comment. There's a whole bunch of spam comment. They're saying that you can join this WhatsApp or test this WhatsApp group, or you can earn a whole bunch of extra BTC. Just be careful out there. There's a whole bunch of scam right now, and yet YouTube do not take action, and yet they take action on people who say something they don't like, basically, and potentially we don't have any more freedom of speech anymore. So anyway, so remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay safe, stay wise. And by the way, I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency and commodity can have inherent risk. Please use your due diligence, and peace out.